Look at the human trying to get me to attack him. He thinks he's smart and he thinks he's slick. I think I shall call him Slick Rick. You cannot tempt me with those fingers. I just attack you with my secret powers. There's no way you will get me to attack that snake. Uh-oh. Oh no, I'm losing self-control. What is taking over my kitty form? Must attack, snake. Stop that human with your invisible powers. I see it, I must attack. I see it. Oh, where did it go? You're not fooling me, human. Destroy all humans.